Welcome to The Ultimate Guide to ChatGPT, from beginner to expert. In this course, we'll take you through everything you need to know to get started with ChatGPT and become an advanced user. First, we'll cover the basics of how ChatGPT works and how to set it up. You'll learn how to input and process text, generate responses, and access the various features and functions of the tool. Next, we'll delve into more advanced topics such as integrating ChatGPT into your workflow, automating tasks, and using it to gather and analyze data. You'll also learn how to use ChatGPT to assist with learning and research as a student, and how to leverage it to improve your business or professional projects. Along the way, we'll provide hands-on exercises and real-world examples to help you get a feel for using ChatGPT in different situations. You'll also have access to a community of fellow learners and our team of experienced instructors to support you as you progress through the course. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of ChatGPT and how to use it to achieve your goals. You'll be well on your way to becoming an expert in language processing AI. So if you're ready to learn how to use ChatGPT like a pro, let's get started. To input and process text with ChatGPT, you will need to use the tool's API or user interface to send a request with the text you want to process. ChatGPT will then analyze the text and generate a response based on its programming and previous learning. To generate responses, you can use the tool to output text based on a specific prompt or input. For example, you could use ChatGPT to generate multiple variations of a sales pitch or to write a blog post on a particular topic. To access the various features and functions of ChatGPT, you can use the tool's API or user interface. Depending on the version of ChatGPT you are using, you may have access to different features such as language translation, data analysis, or text generation. You can also use the tool's documentation or support resources to learn more about the specific features and functions available. To integrate ChatGPT into your workflow, you can use the tool to automate tasks or processes that you regularly perform. For example, you could use ChatGPT to handle customer inquiries, gather data for market research, or schedule appointments. By integrating ChatGPT into your workflow, you can save time and improve efficiency. To automate tasks with ChatGPT, you can use the tool to perform specific actions based on predefined criteria or triggers. For example, you could use ChatGPT to automatically send emails to new customers or to post updates to social media platforms. To use ChatGPT to gather and analyze data, you can input specific criteria or queries and let the tool gather and process the relevant information. You can then use Chat's analysis features to generate reports or insights based on the gathered data. This can be useful for tasks such as market research, customer analysis, or data visualization. As a student, you can use ChatGPT to assist with learning and research in a number of ways. One way to use ChatGPT is to input specific queries or topics and let the tool gather relevant information for you. This can be a useful way to quickly gather data and insights on a particular subject. You can also use ChatGPT to help you write assignments or papers by inputting specific prompts or requirements. The tool can generate text or ideas based on the input, allowing you to use it as a starting point for your own work. In addition to these uses, you can also use ChatGPT to communicate with professors or classmates, perform research on specific topics, or gather data for projects or presentations. Overall, ChatGPT can be a useful tool for students looking to save time and improve their research and writing skills. Just be sure to use it as a supplement to your own learning and not as a replacement for it. There are many ways you can use ChatGPT to improve your business or professional projects. One way to use ChatGPT is to automate tasks or processes that you regularly perform as part of your business or projects. For example, you could use ChatGPT to handle customer inquiries, schedule appointments, or gather data for market research. By automating these tasks, you can save time and improve efficiency. You can also use ChatGPT to generate ideas or content for your business or projects. For example, you could use the tool to generate multiple variations of a sales pitch or to write a blog post on a particular topic. In addition, you can use ChatGPT to gather and analyze data related to your business or projects. This can be useful for tasks such as market research, customer analysis, or data visualization. Overall, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for businesses and professionals looking to streamline their work and improve their projects. Just be sure to use it ethically and responsibly, and to properly credit any content or ideas generated by the tool. Hands-on exercises. 1. Input a paragraph of text describing a new product into ChatGPT and generate multiple variations of the text using different prompts or settings. 1. For example, you could try generating text that focuses on the product's features, benefits, or target audience. 2. Use ChatGPT to generate responses to specific customer inquiries or requests. 2. For example, you could input a question about a product's price or availability and have ChatGPT generate a response based on the information available. 3. Input a list of data into ChatGPT and use the tool's analysis features to generate a report or insights. 3. For example, you could input a list of customer survey responses and use ChatGPT to generate a report on common themes or trends. Real-world examples. 1. A case study of a business using ChatGPT to automate customer service inquiries, resulting in a 25% increase in efficiency. 1. This example could include details on how the business implemented ChatGPT, the specific tasks it was used for, and the results achieved. 2. An example of a student using ChatGPT to assist with research for a term paper, earning an A+ on the assignment. 2. This example could include details on the specific topic of the paper, how ChatGPT was used to assist with research, and the final grade received. 3. A demonstration of a professional using ChatGPT to generate ideas for a new product or service. 3. This example could include details on the specific industry or field the professional is working in, the prompts used to generate ideas with ChatGPT, and any resulting concepts or prototypes. 4. A case study of a business using ChatGPT to gather and analyze data for market research, resulting in a successful product launch. 4. This example could include details on the specific product and target market, the data gathered and analyzed with ChatGPT, and the results achieved.